How to recover a hacked Discord account. If your Discord account has been hacked and you can no longer access it, this video will show you the official and safest way to recover your account. First, it's important to understand one thing clearly. There is no shortcut, hack, or third-party tool that can recover a hacked Discord account. The only working method is through Discord's official support system. Now let's start step by step. First, go to the Discord support website. Scroll down and click on Submit a Request. From the drop-down menu, select Hacked Account. Now fill out the recovery form carefully. Enter the email address that was originally linked to your Discord account. This is very important. Discord uses this to verify ownership. Next, enter your Discord username and tag, for example, username followed by numbers. In the description box, clearly explain what happened. Mention if your email was changed, your password was reset without permission, suspicious messages were sent from your account, Nitro or payments were misused. Be clear, honest, and detailed. After that, submit the form. Now wait for Discord's response. Discord usually replies within 24 to 72 hours, but during busy times it may take longer. If Discord replies, they may ask you to verify your email, confirm recent activity, secure your account, follow their instructions exactly, and reply from the same email. Important security steps you should take immediately. Change the password of your email account first. Then enable two-factor authentication on your email. Once Discord restores your account, change your Discord password. Enable 2FA in Discord settings. Review connected devices and apps. Remove any unknown integrations. Very important warning. Do not trust websites or people claiming they can recover Discord accounts instantly. These are scams and can permanently lock your account. To summarize, a hacked Discord account can only be recovered through Discord support. Provide accurate information, be patient, and secure your email first. That's it. This is the only safe and official way to recover a hacked Discord account. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay connected for more account security tutorials.